Hi students, how are you? Well, today I am going to start a new chapter for you called as real numbers. And it is the first chapter, but my methodology of doing this chapter is a little bit different. In this chapter, the starting part is all about the real number system, and it's all about Euclid's division lemma. And the last part of the chapter is dealing with a subtopic by name logarithms. So today I am going to start from the backwards. I am going to start from the end. I am going to deal with a topic called logarithms, and in logarithms I will tell you a few formulas, and with the help of those formulas we can do many questions, and it requires a lot of practice. So when a formula is given to you, make sure that you will pause the video and you will by heart those formulas. See that the video is not forward till you are perfect with the formulas. So this is the way you must do this chapter, and once we are through with this chapter or topic called as logarithms, then we'll go for Euclid's division lemma and the simple and basic problems which are there in your real numbers. Alright, so I'm sure you are ready with your pen and paper and you can note down the formulas. And before I move forward, let me tell you, logarithm is nothing but an operation, and logarithms are defined only for non-zero positive numbers. Non-zero positive numbers. So what does it mean? It means that if I write log of any negative number, the answer is what? Not defined. It is not defined. If I write log of, I have used the word non-zero, means log 0 is also not defined. So make sure that before I move forward you know these things. Log 1 my dear children, it is always equal to 0. Do not get confused. Generally it is a mental tendency. What is log 1? 0. So what is log 0? They will say 1. Don't do that. Log 1 is 0, but log 0 is not defined. Any other number, for example log of 0.1 is defined, but log 0 not defined. Log of negative numbers not defined. Log 1 is 0, and we have a standard value log 10, and log 10 value is also equal to what? 1, right? And all these logarithms are taken to the base 10. By default the base is always what? 10. Now the formulas comes this way. Log of a to base b can be written as log a by log b. See my dear children, the reading is also very important. How do I read this? Please be very careful. Log a to the base b is equal to log a by log b. Immediately I am going to write one more formula, and why I am writing, because you will get confused. This is log of a by b. So do not get confused this formula with this. You must read this as log of a by b. I have seen students reading as log a by b. Don't read as log a by b. Brackets are there, no? So you must read as log of a by b. What is log of a by b? Log a minus log b. And what is this? Log a to the base b is equal to log a by log b. Like that, if I write log a to the base a, what will be log a to the base a? 1. Because instead of b you have log a. Log a cancel, the answer is what? 1. So that can also be taken as a formula. Now apart from that, what is log of a into b? By default the base is 10. If it is not mentioned, you will always take the base as 10. So what is log of a into b? Log of a into b is log a plus log b. By default the base will be 10 here. Now log of a power m. Log of a power m is nothing but m log a. M log a means m into log a. Like that, a power log x to the base a power log x to the base a is also equal to x. This is a formula. Now these are the fundamental basic formulae where any student needs to know and practice again and again. Once you are through with this formulae, you can start the exercise. Now I am anticipating that once I have done this, you will pause the video, you will write umpteen number of times and practice this formulae so that you can understand the problem very well. Right children, we will go ahead with the problem. Ta-da. Right. Determine the value of the following. Determine the value of the following. log 5 to the base 25. Log 5 to the base 25. Now there are different ways of doing this problem. Please listen to the problem carefully. Solution. I will say let log 5 to the base 25 is equal to x. Log 5 to the base 25 is equal to x. Now from here I can do this problem in two different methods. Log 5 can be written as 25 power x. 5 can be written as 25 power x. 5 can be written as 25 can be written as 5 square whole power x. 5 can be written as 5 power 2x. Bases equal, equate powers. So what is the base? 5. So what is the power here? 2x is equal to 1, or what is x is equal to? 1 by 2. Now the same problem can be written as x is equal to log 5 by log 25. You have the formula. Now log 5 by log 25 can be written as log of 5 square. So log 5 by log of 5 square can be written as 2 log 5. This is all x is equal to log 5 cancel. Ultimately what is x is equal to? 1 by 2. So either you do the problem in this method or in this method, the final answer is same. So but what is x is equal to? 1 by 2. So therefore log 5 to the base 25 is equal to 1 by 2. So well, since I have told you the formula, you could do the problem in this method. Here I have not told the formula. For this the formula which you have to include in your list of formula is if log a to the base b is equal to x, then a is equal to b power x. So make sure that you will include this formula also in your list. If you can include that formula in your list, you can do the problem in this manner. Otherwise you can do in this method. Let me take one more numerical in front of you so that you can understand the concept better. Evaluate log 1 by 16 to the base 2. Right? You have to find the value of log 1 by 16 to the base 2. Now how do you do this problem? Right. See here, two methods. What am I going to do? Let log 1 by 16 to the base 2 is equal to x. So what will happen? 1 by 16 is equal to 2 to the power of x. Formula. What is the formula? If log a to the base b is equal to x, then a will be equal to this, b will come here, b power x. So like that 1 by 16 is equal to 2 to the power of x. Now what do I do? 1 by 16 can be written as 1 by 2 to the power of 4 is equal to 2 to the power of x. Now 1 by 2 to the power of 4 can be written as 2 to the power of minus 4 is equal to 2 to the power of x. Can you see bases are equal? When bases are equal, powers can be equated. So therefore what is x is equal to? Minus 4. But practically what is actually x is equal to? This much. So therefore log of 1 by 16 to the base 2 is equal to how much? Minus 4. So I am sure you understood this problem. Let me take one more numerical so that your concepts are very much clear and you can try more and more questions. Log 512 to the base 2. You have to find the value of this. How do I do? Let log 512 to the base 2 is equal to x. Ultimately, as per the formula, 512 is equal to 2 to the power of x. Now I have to express, because here you have in terms of 2, I have to express 512 in terms of 2. How do I do that? Normal division. 2, 256 times, 2, 128 times, 2, 64 times, 2, 32 times, 2, 16s are, 2, 8s are, 2, 4s are, 2, 2s are. Now you please count how many 2s you have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it is 2 to the power of 9 is equal to 2 to the power of x. When you equate the powers, because bases are equal, what is x is equal to? 9. So what is x actually? So log 512 to the base 2 is equal to none. So I am sure children you have understood. You can take more numericals and practice, and in case there are any clarifications, you can please put this in our WhatsApp group and get the things clarified. We will continue for more and more questions in logarithms and more intricate models in our next class. Till then, thank you, goodbye and take care.